Hey there, it's Dawn Marie, and I am going to show you how to make this sticky notepad gift for a teacher. I'm going to show you exactly what I did with my Trotec Speedy 360, and using 1/4 inch maple, some 1/8 inch walnut, and 1/8 inch acrylic, I'm going to show you how I made this project. So the first thing I needed to do was separate the file because I only wanted to cut certain pieces out of certain types of wood. And so I brought it into Ruby, separated out the pieces. I had to rotate the back one. Well, you'll see that I messed up because I thought I had to rotate it because of my space on my board, but I actually had to stop it halfway through because I realized I didn't have enough space. But hang on and stick around, and you can also see me kill a spider on my lid. But that's beside the point. But here it comes, actually on the right hand of my screen. You can see kind of in the middle it crawling down there, and I will go ahead and kill it. This is just a side note. I decided to keep this in here because, you know, sometimes we have to do this stuff out in our shop, is be bug killers as well. So anyways, it's going ahead and doing its engrave first and then cut, but as soon as it starts cutting, I realized that I don't have enough space to do that because I didn't measure beforehand. So I'm going to stop the cut, and then I'm going to put it over to the other side of the board. In Ruby, it makes it really easy because wherever you move your laser head, it will show up as a crosshair, like a little plus sign on your screen, and then you can just snap your design to that crosshair so you know exactly where your design is going to be. So this is what I do on the right hand side of the board after I realize that this cut is going to be in too small of an area. So I stopped it and instead used my keypad to jog the laser over to the right side of my wood, so it created that crosshair. And then here I will show you, well, barely, kind of how I snapped it into place. Then I just pick the settings that I want, which is the 1/4 inch maple, and then send it to the laser. So here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm engraving the words, and then it's going to cut out the outside. Now that that piece is done, it's time to switch woods. So this is 1/8 inch walnut that I got from Trotec. I'm going to place it in here and then jog my laser head down to where I want my piece to start. And yes, I did measure this time, so I know I have enough room. But I'm going to put it in the upper left-hand corner, close the lid, and then go over to the computer and snap my design into place. The first thing I have to do in Ruby though is delete everything else on the design, so I only have the square that I want to cut out. it's time to get each individual letter for the notes section. I'm cutting each one in a different color of glitter acrylic, and so I need to delete everything else besides the one letter, choose 1/8 inch acrylic, send it to the laser, and then cut it out. And I'm going to repeat this process for every single letter. So I decided to just fast forward the video because it's literally the same step. I go in, pick the letter, expand that to fill my design area, pick the settings, and cue it to the laser. So each step is exactly the same with the different letter and different color acrylic. So now comes the fun part, putting it all together. So I had masked the maple just so there was no charring or anything like that on there that I had to clean up. After I peeled off the masking, I gave it a quick sand so it was nice and smooth. And then now comes the fun part with gluing it together. You could do 3M on the back of all your acrylic and your pieces, so you could just peel off the back like a sticker and place it on there. I didn't have any on hand, so I am just using a super glue. This is a Loctite Professional. I do not use this at parties, but I do use it for myself. It dries extremely fast. There is no forgiveness at all. So make sure you have everything where you want it to be before you glue it down. All we have to do is add the sticky pad and we are set to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it gave you a little bit of insight as to how I make my projects with my laser, maybe some ideas that you can do. And please let me know if you have questions, and I'd love it if you subscribed and gave me a follow.